Hello folks, a very warm welcome to your own channel Roadmaps. We are back with another SQL question which was asked in one of the interview. Before heading towards the question, make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel and comment your doubts and suggestions for my motivation. So to save time, I've already created the tables with the dummy data. So this is a very easy question with some basic concepts revision. In this question, we were asked to find the total experience of the employees. So we are given with two tables, one with employee ID, start date and end date. And wherever the end date is not given, it means the employee is still working in the organization. So in that case, we need to consider the end date as the current date because in the question we are asked to get the experience till today's date. And the other table we are given with employee ID and the name. So let's start writing the SQL query. So first things first, we'll try to handle these null values and we'll try to put the current date in place of these null values. So how to do that? It will be select So we'll use case when statement here. So case when, wherever this end date is not there, we'll put it as current date. So we'll write it as case when end date is null, then cur date. So this cur date will give us the today's current date. And else we'll take end date as it is. We'll end this statement as end date and start date as it is. From this table. So we'll see the output. So we have handled the null values and we have inserted the current date in place of null values. So next what we need to do is we need to find the difference between the end date and the start date. So how should we do that? So we'll make this whole query as a sub query and we'll write another query on top of it. So this will be as, let's say, EP, employees. Select employee ID, comma. So we'll use date diff function over here, date diff, and we'll pass the parameters as end date, comma, start date from this query. So we'll see what's the output. So we'll give it as experience. We'll give our alias as experience. There we go. We have found the experience of the employees against to every employee ID. So next what we need to do is from this employees table, we'll join this whole table and we'll get the employee name of these employee ID. So how to do that? Left join employees as E on EP dot and in place of this employee ID we'll select E dot name. So we have got a desired output and we have revised some basic concepts of SQL like this date diff function, the case when statement, left joins. So stay tuned guys, and if you have any doubt in any of the SQL question, make sure to comment it down. Thank you.